IT security tip number 3. Use strong passwords. How to keep hackers away from your passwords. Thanks to powerful brute force attack software readily available online, hackers can try tens of millions of possible password combinations per second. For example, hacking software can guess a 5-character password in under 3 hours. If you only use lowercase letters, it's 11.9 seconds. You know you need to have a better password than password or let me in if you have any hope of keeping hackers out of your PC. But what does a strong password mean? A good password should be at least 8 characters long or longer and have a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols that are hard to guess. Don't use dictionary words with proper capitalization because they're easy to guess, like password 123#. Even though it meets the requirements we just discussed, it's easily hacked. Remember, hackers have sophisticated password hacking software that will run 24/7, 365. If you want a quick tip for remembering your password, use a phrase and insert letters and numbers into it. Is it time to take a closer look at your security practices? Contact us today.